24 divided by 12 divided by 12 divided by 24. Here, 24 divided by 12 gives us 2, and here we have 12 divided by 24, which is 1 over 2. So 2 divided by 1 over 2 is just 2 times 2, which is 4. But this answer is incorrect, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do the first division, then the next division, and finally the last division. So the first division of 24 divided by 12 is just 2. So we get 2 divided by 12 and again divided by 24. 2 divided by 12 can be written as 1 over 6, then divided by 24. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we get 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 24, which equals 1 over 144. And this is our final answer to this problem.